Welcome to John's Jeep Garage. This is a quick video. This is a video about retrieving the original fog lights and the wiring harness from your OEM plastic bumper once you remove it. So we removed our plastic bumper because we were putting on an aftermarket bumper. But in doing so, I really needed to get that wiring harness and I wanted to use those fog lights. And it wasn't simple to just remove it from the outside. There's a process that you need to do to go ahead and disassemble and remove it. So this is a quick video just showing you how to do it, and we'll show you a quick couple pictures on how we applied that to our aftermarket bumper. Thank you for watching.
Hey, as a reminder, the main connection point is on the passenger side of the frame for the fog lights. So that original wiring harness has that male connector, which can be used later versus trying to find an aftermarket one or another one. We wanted to keep the wire harness for the fog lights, so we needed to remove them from the OEM bumper. Let's show you how we do it. First, on each end, remove the retaining clips holding on that plastic skin. Once removed, just lift and put to the side. The fog light is connected by this plastic housing. So first, let's disconnect the main connection to the fog light. You just press down on that tab, as you can see right here, and just pull out. Next, what we're going to do is there's 4 7mm screws. You'll need a 7mm socket to remove all 4 screws. Once you remove all 4 screws, just lift and move it out of position. You could use this for your aftermarket bumper. I keep everything, and just depends on what you're going to put in its place. Okay, so now we're going to remove this inside back plate on this front bumper, and there's 8 nuts that are 13mm that we're going to need to use to remove it. Now, I suggest strongly using a deep socket for the 13mm because you want to go over the threaded stud. Okay, once you remove those 8 nuts, next there's the wiring harness on both ends has a couple spots where you just need to remove those retaining clips so they can be free of the plate. Once you've made those free and kind of move the wires out of the way, we're going to lift the whole backing plate out of the encasing of the front bumper. Okay, we're going to lift the steel backing plate out of the way, and now we're dealing with a plastic skin that we need to remove with 7mm socket and a bunch of screws that just go all along the inside as well as on the edges. And I'll slow down here just to show you where they are on the edge and give you a close-up view of this as well. You can see. Remember, the purpose of all of this is trying to get the wiring harness, which is really attached to the back side of this plastic piece. So now let's go ahead and remove those tow hooks, which just kind of slide out, and then we're going to go ahead and lift this plastic piece out. And then if you notice on the other side of it, this harness is connected by retaining clips all along the back side of this plastic skin or insert. Let's just remove it. Be careful to protect the wires as you're removing it, and then once it's removed, we'll have the harness in hand. Your harness is now removed, and if needed, can be used on your new aftermarket bumper.
So you can see our worn bumper, and you can see how we used the original fog lights that was in that original plastic bumper, and the picture that we just showed you with the wiring on the outside. And as you remember, that master connection, that one feed, we were able to use the original harness, and it made life very simple for us. Okay, that's a wrap. And what you saw is that the steps it takes to go on to the inside, remove the wiring harness, and remove the fog lights. And then we just showed you, I know that there's many aftermarket bumpers, so showing you installation on this particular one we didn't have in the scope of this video, but we just wanted to show you the application on how we did use it for our worn bumper. So hopefully this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.